वेबसाइट्स की दुनिया में एक और इजाफा। फॉर फ्रेंड्स कंपनी ने dailytrends.com का इफ्तिताह मिस इंडिया रिचा पानी के हाथों अमल में आया, जिसमें फैशन को मुख्तलिफ तरीक़ों से पेश किया गया।
Website called Delhi Trends, and we're gonna launch a magazine also, both of the things from January 1st, and it's a very interactive and very beauty and fitness related website and magazine. And इसका जो फर्स्ट एडिशन रहेगा वो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट रहेगा, जनवरी एडिशन. So I think it's a must read magazine, and you can buy products on their website. Any beauty product or health related products, so you should go through it. That's all, and I want to wish this team all the very best. Thank you so much.
Thank you.